last chance. No beating around the bush.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Blake Production.
Yo, what is poppin', squad? So I'm gonna go over all the EV names, the electric vehicles, right? So we got Tesla, Lucid, and Nio. Those are the three. I want to go over a breakdown here. Starting with Tesla, in my opinion, this one's the king, right? This one's the market leader when it comes to the electric vehicle market, right? So these three stocks, out of them, Tesla is the leader by far, not only in market cap, but just in terms of overall strength, right? Like, it's a strong name. Like, if you look at this name from a weekly perspective, since, pretty much inception, it's been on a decent uptrend. Ever since like really 2019, we've really started picking it up. So there has been an increase in interest for electric cars since 2019. Now, the way I think of this electric car business is like, what's it going to be like in the future? Like, are we really going to be fully electric one day? Like, if so, then we want to be paying attention to these names. It's just the way it is, right? Ford, they're starting to create electric vehicles. So check out Ford stock. Ford stock's pumping too. I might add that at the end of this video. But anyways, Tesla here, this is what I'm seeing. From a technical perspective, beautiful higher highs. Look at this uptrend. It's beautiful, right? So what I like the most about Tesla is after a big rip, it just takes time to consolidate and like make a base, so then it could continue on higher, right? So there's strong demand in this name. What I'm seeing here is we have a potential double top in this range, right? 1250 to 1200 range looks like it needs a little bit more time before that's our new base. So there's sort of this descending channel that I'm watching. We had an overshoot. I wouldn't be surprised if we potentially overshot down to this $700 range. Remember, it's known that this stock, you don't want to short Tesla. You don't want to be the guy who's like, oh, it's overvalued. Because look at what happened, right? People were saying that it was overvalued when it was $400 a share before the split, right? I think it's evident now that when it comes to value of a stock, it's kind of irrelevant. Let's be honest. Otherwise, this wouldn't be this $1,200 a share. Escape that out of your mind, right? This is a lot bigger than what it's valued at, right? There's big money in this driving this stock. This isn't about what you think. So just remember, this is not one you want to go against. Big dips, right? Any big dip on this name has been a buy opportunity. We can count right here, dipped around 59%, huge buy opportunity. Up here, we dipped 21%, buy opportunity, right? Over here, we dipped 32%, buy opportunity. From the highs back in January, we dipped 35%, buy opportunity, right? It's a beast name, and that's why I'll never sell my Tesla shares. I will never sell them. In my opinion, they'll probably do another split, right? Elon is a master marketer. This guy is a hype beast. He knows what he's doing. So when it comes to another split happening, I'd assume around $2,000 to $2,500 a share, there's probably going to be another split. So just keep that in mind, right? Is this name going to consolidate for some time? And then when we have that next spike, those are the rumors people are going to be talking about as it gets closer and closer to those levels. So this one it's a no-brainer for me. Keep it on the watch list. Any dips in this name is a buy in my opinion. If this comes back to 900, 750, it's an easy trade. So we got Lucid, right? This is one that it's so interesting because this is probably one of the only SPACs that are actually performing decently like now. You know what I mean? Like, this was complete fear, and this is complete uncertainty of if this company is even real or not. So it dropped 71%, right? But the outlook here on Lucid is that these are the Mercedes-Benz of electric cars, right? And they got a stock. So if you think that it's going to be another hype train, in my opinion. You see this base floor right here, right? One thing I liked in the recent past, we're creating higher lows starting from September 2021, right? Low. Let's just create the pattern, right? We start from low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We took some time here, but we have a higher low, right? So what's next? I see a big increase in volume coming in here, matching with a very nice bullish engulfing candlestick, right? This engulfs a bunch of days here. In my opinion, it's given us a sign that maybe this name wants to go higher. So pay attention to the EVs, in my opinion. It could be a name in 22 that, right, that could just start popping. So that is Lucid. We got Nio here. And what I like about Nio is just the long period of consolidation, right? Since January 2021. So 1 full year of consolidation from the highs. We have pulled back as far as 59%, right? So after some big gains, we consolidate for 1 full year, right? It's creating a bullish pattern. This is typically a falling wedge pattern. It is a bullish pattern in the markets. What another thing I like is we have a massive bullish engulfing last week. And like I said in my previous Nio video, we might need some time to, right? This is a lot, right? Too much too soon, some would say. Massive volume coming in. We have basically 1, 2, 3, 6 days where we consolidate, right? This could be just people selling because they think that this is their last chance. In my opinion, I think that this could very well be the bottom of Nio, right? This area where this big volume spike is, I'd pay attention to this range. This could be the bottom in Nio. I'm not saying it is. Could be. It could be the bottom here. So I'd be paying attention to that range, right? $27 to $33. 1 year from now, when we look at Nio, is that $27 to $33 range going to be an absolute like steal? It could be. It could very well be. So pay attention to that, right? I think right now is a great opportunity to get into Nio. And in my opinion, Nio is probably one of the laggers out of the other two, right? If you look at Lucid, it's pretty much in demand right now. People are buying it up right now. You look at Tesla, it's had some pretty big spikes in the recent like past. But when we look at Nio, it's kind of lagging behind these two, right? A little bit lagging. So it could be a signal that this one, is it going to catch up? We'll have to see. So that's the EV breakdown. Peace.